Hi, I am Molly Berry of Living in a Fairy Tale Stables, and today I am going to give you a barn tour. I am a show jumper, and I have a mom, a dad, and a sister that live with me. And today right now I'm going to show you the house. Okay, let's go. First, we've got the front here. And then we've got the open doors there. And lights because it's 4 days till Christmas. And then sign, 2 trees. Let's close those. And then a doorbell. And then over this side, we have a door and balcony and then a garbage can. Inside, we've got a kitchen, a vanity, front entrance, living room, my parents' room with the balcony. I've got Kevin Berry, the truck driver, and Claire Berry, my mom, the dressage rider. And then we've got Caitlin, my sister, the cross-country rider. And then up here, that's me in her room. And then up here is the playroom with a TV and toys. Okay, now I will show you the truck and trailer. This is my Schliech trailer. Let's see. And this is my Schliech 4x4 vehicle. Okay, now the cross-country course. We have a cross-country course set up. It goes like that jump, wait. Goes that jump, that one, then you do a sharp turn, that one, and that's supposed to be a stream. Okay, now let's go to the arena. This is our dressage arena with all the letters and then a center point. Our practice kind of arena where you draw out the course that you're going to be doing and jumping or whatever. And then this is our show jumping arena that we use for everything except cross country and dressage. And then here we have our garage with another truck, a tack trailer, and a hay trailer. And then here we've got barn A, as you can see on the signs. And in here we have adult horses. So we have Queen, our Frisian mare, Stormy, our Andalusian stallion, Queen, our Hanoverian mare, or not Queen, Brownie, sorry. Big Ben, our Hanoverian stallion, Sugar, our Arabian mare, and Rocket, my Arabian stallion. And then we've got my newborn foal, the Arabian foal grazing. Has to stay with his mom, Sugar, for now, but her name is Chloe. And then we've got some horses outside as well. We have Lion King, the Tinker Stallion, Gypsy, the Tinker Mare, and Snowflake, the Lipizzaner Stallion. And then we've got a water trough thing. And then here's our tack room with our tack and halters and lead ropes, poles, barrels, jumps, and that. And then I am going to show you how you make a jump with Legos and popsicle sticks. Okay, so there, and then there. Okay, let's put And this is our pasture fence and barn B, our full barn. And other animal barn. See? And then we've got an opening and closing gate. And then our other Arabian foal, Bullet, she's a mare, or a filly. And then we've got our colt, Solomon, who's a Percheron foal. And then up here we have Rusty, our rooster. And then, oh, by the way, we've got a Christmas tree there. And then inside here we have our Hanoverian foal, Lacey. And our Tinker foal. Oh, Lacey's a girl, and this is Tinkerbell. She's also a girl. And then up here we have Kramer, our golden retriever puppy. Mr. Peaches, our tabby cat. Moonlight, our Shetland pony foal. Pearl, our lamb. And Elvis, our baby donkey. Our donklet, maybe, I don't know. And then we've got a shed. See? Well, it's not really a shed. It says shed there. Muck heap, feed room, and lounge. And then we've got a ladder. And up here we have our hayloft with 3 jugs of water, 2 hays, and then a chart to tell who goes inside and outside. And then this is the girls' little clubhouse with some stuffed animal dogs. That's about it. So this is our farm, basically, like that. And there's a bird's eye view of farm A, and then there's the full barn, and the fence, and then our Christmas tree. So I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.